Shipping an agent to production without evals is like deploying code without tests. You wouldn't do it. Pydantic AI has a built-in evaluation framework that most people don't even know about. Plus OpenTelemetry integration, cost tracking, and patterns for handling rate limits and timeouts. This is the episode that turns your prototype into a product. Pydantic-evals is PyTest for agents. You define a dataset with cases. Each case has inputs, expected output, and metadata. You run the dataset against your agent function. You get back a results object with pass rates, failure details, and summary statistics. This is how you catch regressions. Before deploying a prompt change, run your eval suite. If pass rate drops, you don't deploy. It's the same discipline as unit tests, applied to the non-deterministic world of LLM outputs. One line instruments all your agents for OpenTelemetry tracing. Import Logfire, call logfire.configure, then call agent.instrument_all. From that point, every agent run, every tool call, every LLM request is automatically traced with timing, inputs, outputs, and token usage. The traces go to any OpenTelemetry compatible backend, Logfire, Jaeger, Grafana Tempo, Datadog, whatever your team uses. In production, this is how you debug slow agent runs, find which tools are bottlenecks, and understand exactly what the LLM was doing when something went wrong. Every agent run gives you usage data. Use it. Result.usage gives you request tokens, response tokens, and total tokens. Multiply by your models per token pricing to get the cost per run. Build a budget limiter class that accumulates cost and rejects runs over the limit. Inject it via run context so every tool has access to the current spend. In production, you want cost metrics per user, per session, per feature. Store usage data alongside your business metrics. Know your AI costs at the same granularity. You know your infrastructure costs. Deployment is straightforward because Pydantic AI is just Python. For a FastAPI endpoint, create the agent once at module level, load history from your database, run the agent, save new messages, return the typed output. That's a production chat endpoint in 15 lines. For Docker, use the official Python Slim image, copy your requirements and source, install dependencies, and run Uvicorn. No special runtime needed. The agent runs inside your normal web server process, no separate agent server, no special infrastructure. Just a Python web application that happens to call LLMs.